Hi everyone, my name is Shana from WTI, and if you're ready to up your cooking game, to save space, and to reduce the amount of cookware that you have, then this Dutch oven from Lodge is for you.
I love that this cookware is a 2-in-1. The top can be separated and used as a frying pan, baking pan, sauté pan, and the base can be used for baking, soups, or whatever you may need a big pot for. And I do love that this is a space saver. It really cuts down having many pots and pans. It fits, the top fits perfectly on top of the base, so it's really a space saver. And I do love that this Dutch oven is pre-seasoned, but having a cast iron anything is a labor of love. So I always make it a point to continue to properly care for my cast iron cookware whenever it is needed.
During the height of the pandemic, everyone took to baking bread in their Dutch ovens. I jumped on the Dutch oven bandwagon, but not so much the bread making wagon, and I am happy that I purchased this Dutch oven. It did up the way that I cook, and that's my point of view.